In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing files from desktop, documents, and pictures in Windows OneDrive. Updated 2026 Full Guide. If files you expect to see on your desktop, in documents, or in pictures have gone missing, don't panic. We'll walk through a clear checklist to help you locate and restore them on a Windows 11 PC using OneDrive. First, open OneDrive and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Click the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar corner. In the OneDrive window, confirm the account listed is the one you actually use for your files. If you use more than one account, it's easy to be in the wrong one, so switch to the right account before moving on. Next, open File Explorer. In the left sidebar, select OneDrive. Inside there, open the Desktop, Documents, and Pictures folders specifically under OneDrive, not the local This PC versions. Look for your items and use the search box at the top right to quickly scan for file names. If you see cloud icons next to items, that's files on demand. The files are online and will download when opened. If you don't see what you expect, keep going. Now check that syncing is active. Click the OneDrive cloud icon again and review the status message. It should say something like, up to date, or show files actively syncing. If it says paused or shows an error, resume syncing and make sure you're connected to the internet. Low storage or sign-in prompts can also pause sync, so clear any alerts shown by OneDrive before proceeding. Then, open OneDrive settings and go to Sync and Backup. Here, verify that folder backup is enabled for desktop, documents, and pictures. This feature ensures those folders are protected in OneDrive. If a folder isn't backed up, it won't appear under your OneDrive in File Explorer. Turn backup on for any folder you want included, and give OneDrive a moment to process changes. If files were accidentally deleted, check the OneDrive Recycle Bin online. Open OneDrive on the web, select Recycle Bin, and look for your missing items. You can restore them directly from there, and they'll sync back to your OneDrive folders. Keep in mind, items in the Recycle Bin are only kept for a limited time, so restore them as soon as you find them. Finally, restart your computer. After it boots, sign in and let OneDrive fully sync. Keep the device online and powered. When OneDrive shows up to date, return to the OneDrive desktop, documents, and pictures folders in File Explorer and confirm your files are back.